No?
No, cannot.
Why? I heard about that. If you are 7 years long been here, okay.
It
How much
depends.
drivers are earning here? How much? 18,000 included everything, or they will give them extra?
So maximum it depends upon your employer as
Yeah,
well.
but
There are times that they
about
will
your
give
knowledge, maximum how
you,
much?
yeah, maybe they can give you 10. No, it's
10,000.
my first time.
Ah, in 8 year first time you came here.
Like maybe like 100 something Hong Kong dollar a month.
100,000. तो भाई मैं इनका इंटरव्यू लेना चाह रहा हूँ लेकिन दे नहीं रही हैं इंटरव्यू. How long been you are here?
Almost 8 years.
8 years? Ah, so you are local now, no? You are 8 years here, right? Can you get now the permanent residency?
No,
No?
no, cannot.
Why? I heard about that. If you are 7 years long been here.
It depends. It depends upon your job.
Ah, so
So
in
if you're-
domestic
yeah,
helpers
helper,
cannot?
nanny cannot.
Cannot,
You're
huh?
a driver, yeah, or like office. You can have your permanent resident.
If you are a driver?
Even you're a driver, yeah.
Ah, so it's starting from driver.
Yes.
How about waiters and all those kind of stuff?
You can work here as a waiter if you are a resident here.
No, I mean if you are a domestic helper. So ever you cannot get it residency?
No.
Oh my goodness. So different job, different term and condition, that's what you
Yes.
mean?
Yes.
Okay, how much drivers are earning here? How much the salary of drivers?
I think the minimum is like 18,000.
18,000?
Yeah.
And all in, I mean they have to get their own accommodation and food?
Yes.
Ah, but what
But
about
the employer will pay for the accommodation as well.
in the 18,000 included everything, or they will give them extra?
It depends upon the employer if they will give you extra.
Ah, okay.
There are some employers that the 18,000 your accommodation you will pay by yourself.
Right. So every employer have a different term and condition.
Yes.
And how much the helpers are getting, domestic helper, I mean like a maids, how much they get for
So
1
the-
month?
The minimum salary of domestic helper is like 487.
4,800?
Yeah.
And what about maximum?
So maximum depends upon your employer as
Yeah,
well.
but
There are times that they
about
will
your
give
knowledge, maximum how
You,
much?
yeah, maybe they can give you 10
10,000?
if you're leave out. Yeah.
Ah, okay. So if you leave out 10 is not enough, I think, or it's enough?
Not really.
It's not really enough,
Yeah,
right?
not really enough.
So better to live in, right?
Yes.
So you have nobody for anything.
Yes.
So your first time here in this place, or you have been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Ah, in 8 year first time you came here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So it's mean how many days you have off in 1 week?
Once a week.
Once a week. So 1 day off. Okay. And what about how many hours you guys work here in your job?
So depends on the employer again.
What is minimum and what is
like
maximum?
Minimum, like some are, will start at like 6 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
It's like me, like 6 to 10.
Right. And what others?
Others like start at 7 or 6 to sometimes 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
PM, right?
PM. Yeah.
Ah, so
12
it's like
a.m.
like 18 hours,
Yeah.
16 hours, 14 hours, but that's too much.
Yeah, but you're lucky if your employer will let you rest at around 8 o'clock in the
Ah,
evening.
okay, right.
But if you're leave out, there are some leave out that will go home at around 6 if the employer arrive.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So it really depends upon the employer then.
So it's depend on employer.
Yeah.
In 8 years, you should have many friends here.
Yeah, have a lot.
Okay, which job your friends are working?
There are some office work,
Like a
some
clerk,
driver.
receptions, right?
Yeah, and like.
How much
an
is salary
office-
in office?
Oh, I'm not sure about that.
Just idea roughly.
The office, you mean?
Yeah.
So I have an Indian friend,
Mm-hmm.
like maybe like 100 something Hong Kong dollar a month.
100,000?
Yeah,
100,000. What is the job?
like
Accountant.
accountant manager.
Ah, accountant manager. So he's a manager, not a normal accountant.
No.
And what else? Driver? How much?
Driver, like I said, like 18,000.
18. And what else? Do you know?
No.
Like a waiter?
Oh, a waiter maybe like around 20 something.
20 something. And the duty hours is almost same for everyone, or there is a difference in the jobs and hours also?
Oh, if you're a waitress, I think you're like shifting.
Shifting.
Like maybe 8 hours.
8 hours. But I met there, I did a breakfast in Chongming Mansion, Chongqing Mansion. So there was one lady from India. I asked her, she have no off, and she work like 16 hours,
A day.
18 hours in a day.
But maybe they pay her like
She get
An
good
hour.
tips also,
Yeah.
but 16 hour was normal work, I think. And what else you know? No more. तो भाई ऑलमोस्ट जो जॉब्स यहाँ पे हैं मैंने उनके बारे में आपको बता दिया, इन्होंने भी बता दिया है कि 4,800 से लेके 100,000 तक यहाँ पे सैलरीज हैं. तो डिपेंड कि आप कौन सी जॉब करते हो, कितने घंटे काम करते हो, आप गेस कर सकते हो. बचते कितने हैं इसका मुझे आइडिया नहीं. हाउ मच इज़ द एक्सपेंस इफ समबडी लीव आउट?
their salary.
No, I mean expense, accommodation, food,
Oh. So the accommodation depends on your place.
your place. Okay,
Yeah, if you're
roughly.
living a city, you will be like pay your like bed space for like 2,005, something like that.
Okay, and food,
Food is like 1,000. 1,000 plus.
2,000 plus.
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus. So like 4,000 is the total expense, right?
Yeah.
तो 4,000 के करीब खर्चा आ जाता है रहने का, खाना और घर का. बाकी 1-2 हज़ार और लगा लो. तो आप देख सकते हो कितना बच सकता है और कितने कमा सकते हैं, अंदाज़ा खुद कर लीजिएगा. तो which way we go to Buddha Temple?
Let's check this one.
Yeah, we need to see here signs because that road was closed. This bus. Huh? This way to temple?
Yeah, this way is to the white stones, you know, here.
Ah.
Yeah, you just along this one.
We'll just follow
Yeah.
the road.
To the end, turn left.
Turn left.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
follow this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
तो ये थी जी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मैंने इनसे ली है. बड़ी मुश्किल से इनको मनाया है, ये तो मान ही नहीं रही थी, क्योंकि मैं चाहता था कि आपके नॉलेज में कुछ इजाफा हो जाए. मैं खुद कोई चीज़ें बताऊं वो नहीं है, वो ट्रस्ट नहीं बिल्ड होता यार जो मैं करना चाहता हूं. क्या ख्याल है? दुआ में याद रखिएगा. लव यू गाइस. मिलते हैं अगली इसी तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो में. दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.